Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm gonna be making a penguin inspired by Pudgy Penguin. I'm using a previous pattern that I had created a while back and tweaking it a little bit so I can get the shape a little bit better for Pudgy Penguin. So if you want to go ahead and crochet with me today, I'm not going to spell out the pattern by any means, but I just want to make a crochet chill video. So if you want to go ahead and grab your hook with me and grab your headphones, I'm going to pop a movie on and go ahead and knock this penguin out. I've been really excited to work on this for a while, so go ahead, like I said, grab your hook, grab your needles, and let's just take a crochet chill day. finished body. I'm gonna start working on the beak and feet now. Now the only thing left to do is to make his little hair in the front. Okay guys, I finished my Pudgy the Penguin inspired penguin. So adorable. If you enjoyed crocheting along with me today, I hope that you got far on your project as well. And if you want to go ahead and leave a like, don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below if you think I should try a different color. I'm gonna make a pink one, obviously, to match the blue. But if you have any other ideas, go ahead and leave a comment down below. And I'm gonna go ahead and make the pattern for the penguin. It's not Pudgy Penguin, but the penguin pattern. So if you wanna go ahead and make your own penguin, go ahead and check out my Etsy. I'm gonna go ahead and add it up there at some point this week. So if you liked today's video, again, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you in the next one.